Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to suggest coin and ask question so we can add it today, okay? Let's now check our coin. Hello, hello. Hello, El Negro. Hello, Rovic De Leon. Yo, what's up? Rovic, good evening. Good evening to you as well, Rovic. John Ventura, hello. Alexis Balauro, yo, what's up? John Ventura, good evening. Good evening. Zero the Lone Rider, hello. Hi. Hello, Angela Purel, hello. Ava Grande, hello. Jose Marie Kalaikai, yo, what's up? Cassandra, hello. Angela Purol, BTC. Okay, we will check BTC, okay? Okay. Seems like we are touching a drop base drop, right? We have a long wick and we close below. So we might start dropping from here. I think this is a good short position. Okay, I gave you already the signal. Alright. So, feel free to suggest coin, okay? So, any suggestion, just drop your coin right now and we will check it, okay? And we'll check some news first. What do we have for Bitcoin? So Bitcoin realized loss hits historic value following 40% drop to 26,000. So we dropped 26,000. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's profitability faced a big drop in the last few weeks. And the realized losses confirm that the cryptocurrency market now remains at the second lowest point in its history. What is realized loss and how does it affect traders? Traders record realized loss whenever an asset is being sold on the market for a price below the cost or book value. Simply put, a trader or an investor suffers a realized loss whenever he sells an asset for a price lower than his or her initial purchase level. Okay, so that's the buy high, sell low. Okay, that's how we do it. Wojak style, right? Buy high, sell low. Right now, if we are shorting, so we buy high, sell low. Okay, okay. So you see this graph here, realize loss. So many. Every time there is a drop, there are always a panic sellers. Okay, panic sellers. Are you one of the panic sellers? Stay present if you are one of the panic sellers. You always sell in panic mode. Okay, so that's not good. Okay, you will have hard time recovering if you do that. Okay, okay. Panic sellers. That's why you only put money in the market which you are not going to use for a long time. Let's say 10 years, 5 years, you are not going to touch it. Okay? But if you are a person who always wants your money right away within the month, you're gonna have problem with it. Okay? So, hello Christine, Joy, yo, what's up? It is important to separate realized and unrealized loss as volatile asset like Bitcoin recover quickly from a massive loss and turn position in loss to profit in the course of a day. That's right. That's right. It can pump right away. Then Badsu, yes, hello sir, hello to you as well, Christine. But whenever we make Whenever the market reports a massive spike in realized loss, as we have seen today, we should expect to see a decrease in selling pressure, especially after an asset loses almost half of its value. In such a short period, alternatively, traders refer to situation like this as capitulation. Okay. Largest realized loss in summer 2021. Okay, okay. So that's Bitcoin for you, okay? Bitcoin risk plunging to 20K as Luna fatally crashes to zero. Over 1.28 billion liquidated in hours. Imagine, so much liquidated. Let me check. 1.26 liquidated. Who got liquidated? 68 million only from Luna. 400 million in Bitcoin. 356 million in Ethereum. Okay, so that is 1.26 billion got wreck. Okay, that's a painful liquidated right there. 821 million in long position and 435 million in short position. So we are right now in the crash state. Okay, so you don't sell during crash. Okay, you buy during crash. Okay, if you sell during crash, then you will lose your money, your capital. If you are in the spot only, okay? Okay. Okay. Let's check the Luna with the one announced. It still has 0.0311. Okay, 0.0311. So the Luna. Of course, this will recover. Okay, do not be afraid that much because it will always recover. Okay. So once the USD recovers and goes back to its peg, as you can know, the team is working really hard. And this is the first time. Once it recovers, then that would be awesome. Okay, so many will buy Luna again. So it just need to go back here so that it will be pegged again with the dollar. And then the Luna will start pumping from here. Okay? So imagine if you buy here, your position here, and then you reach the previous all-time high. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Once you are in this, you have this position. Okay, you buy the dip and then you sell here. Look at how many percent are you going to make. This is 21,326%. Okay, so this would be awesome for hodlers. Okay. Yes, it's not anymore in the perpetual future. So you can just do it for spot. Okay, they need to recover first in spot before they can join again the futures. Okay, so yeah. This is normal by the way. Okay, because the previous low of this one is last 2 years ago after the COVID crash. Thank you for informing us, Erics, okay? EU, hello, good evening guys. Good evening to you. Lucifers Gaming, yo, what's up? Ian Baral, hello. Christian J. Navarra, hello in Facebook. Okay. Okay. On Thursday, Bitcoin continued to shed its value, dragging along the crypto asset. As of writing, BTC trading 28.2 after losing the June 28,000 support and dropping as low as 26.7. Earlier today, Ethereum had plummeted to 1.8 before recovering to 1,952. According to CoinGlass, in the past 24 hours, 1.28 billion already got liquidated. 411,000 traders being caught in the crosshair. Okay, so got shut down. Okay, got caught in the war. Okay, the global crypto market cap has sunk 15.33% in the last day to sit at 1.19 trillion. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez says more negative motion could be on the horizon as BTC broken a historic trend line. This could see price crash 40 to 20,000. So we can see more to 20,000. Okay, so this is a nice trend right here. I haven't drawn this before. BTC US dollar in index. And it broke, so the price target is the 20,000. 20 USDT shout out from Dubai. Hello, Paulo Salvador. Shout out to you from Dubai. Okay, Ian Baral, Giancarlo Palma, hello. Okay, how is Dubai? Thursday's dip, however, seem to have triggered a larger number. Tulog big whale. A purchase with the top 8 exchanges by traded volume, displaying a significant rate of purchases on their order books. Currently, the weighted percentage of purchases across all crypto exchange stands 64. Okay, the FUD around stable coins, particularly Terra. Okay. So there is always FUD. Okay, so this last news, BTC dominance rises as Ethereum BTC breaks down. Okay, so the Bitcoin dominance is back. Bitcoin shares of the overall crypto market capitalization has risen sharply over the past 2 days as the price of Ethereum has broken lower against BTC. Since Wednesday this week, the BTC dominance has risen from under 42 to 44. That's nice. That's nice. Bitcoin is going up again. Weekly chart. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's our news for today. It will not close even if it reach 0.001. As long as the UST is there, we'll just continue to recover, okay? So each day we analyze emotion and sentiments from different. So much fear right now. Okay? It's still number 12. The extreme fear is still 12. So we have stayed for a long time now here. Okay, so we have stayed three days in a row. Since 9 and now it's already 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we stayed 4 days already in the extreme fear 12. Okay? So I think we are about to shoot up. Okay, so when you are not ready, then it will really pump more to the upside. So make sure you can ride the money train, okay? Okay, okay. The liquidation is 1.25 billion. So no money get wrecked already. Okay, okay. So that's our news for today. Any suggested coin? Do you have any suggestion? Any suggested coin to TA? So I'll suggest coin now. Okay. So we can PA it. Okay, while waiting, we will check our provided coin. In the title, we are checking BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Sol, AVAX, Doge. Okay, we will check BTC now. Okay, so I told you it's a good short position. It's dropping already. I check out again here. Okay, and if it bounce from here, then it's gonna be it's gonna look like this one. Okay, look like this one. Retest and then bounce. So if this support right here holds, then we can pump from here. Okay. Okay. Hello, Angelotti, Carmelo. So let's check the weekly time frame. What is weekly time frame saying now? So we are supposed to be at trading in this area. Okay, this accumulation, this sideways here. We're supposed to trade in this area. So if we don't hold this area, then we can start dropping. Now we break out to the downside. There is possibility that we can expect more to the downside. Okay, so yeah, let's pull out our Fibonacci. Okay. So our Fibonacci retracement is from bottom here. From bottom to top, okay? So from the beginning of the bull run here, the top, all-time high. And as you can see, we have been trading in this area in 0.382 and 0.5 for a long time. Okay, let me draw. Okay, we have been trading here. Okay, this is our trading area. Now we drop. We drop hard. And we even drop below 618. We are supposed to hold this 618, okay? Because this has been a strong support since January, since May, and now this is the next support here. So we still have hope because this is just 3 days and 12 hours. Gandang gabi, Felicity. Boss, hanggang kailan bababa si Bitcoin? Hanggang mahanap niya ang support niya until it finds its support. Okay? Until it finds its strong support. So if we are going to break the 618, then our trading area would be lower. That would mean this will end up our trading area. And this is 28 to 17,000. That's too far. Okay, of course, we have a 200 moving average here. Where statistically speaking, historically speaking, we always find support in the 200 moving average. Okay? There has been a number of dump already in the past. Okay? So, our dump right now is not something unique. Okay? So, this dump right here, okay, we find support in 200 moving average. The next dump, we found support in 200 moving average. The next dump found a crash. Okay? You can even call it crash. And this one right here hasn't touched yet. So once you touch it, we might find support in our 200 moving average. This is 22,000. So this is the price target, 22,000 for the crash, 200 moving average, okay? So if you look at it in this manner, you will have a bigger, better view of the market. So right now, we are crashing. Let's pull out this one. Price range. So from all-time high up to the price target. For example, we have a price target here. Okay, from this trend line right here. Okay, this price target is from this all-time high to the bottom right here. Okay, trading range. And then here. That's our price target right here. 14,932. This drop here would cause us 78% drop. Okay? So you need to find your support also. So you begin to pump, huh? Okay. So from here, you're gonna see the bottom, and then this is 78% drop. Okay. Let's look at other. This is the 2019 all-time high, and then the 2020 dump. Okay, so from the all-time high up to the drop, we have a 72% drop. Okay, so with this one, we can say that this is normal for Bitcoin. Every correction drops with this amount. Okay, with this percentage. Okay, let's check this drop also here. This is a lot bigger. So from the bull run to the bear market to the bottom, you can see that we drop 84%. Okay, so this one is just a baby compared to the 84%. This is just 78%. Okay. Okay, so here is 84% drop. Okay, this one is 78% drop. This one is 72% drop. This one is 84% drop. Let's check the previous drop also here. This one, this drop here. Okay, so that you will see in the bigger picture that this is fairly normal for Bitcoin. This one is 80%, 86% drop. 84%, 86. So this is just their little brother dropping. The big bro here, the big sis here, and this is just the, we call it in Filipino, bunso. Okay, the 72% that we are expecting. So that's not huge. Even here to here, 82%. And you can just imagine it happened in just 1 week. The all-time high and the all-time low happened 1 week. And then consolidation and then pumps again. Okay? So basically 82, 86, 84, 72% drop. This one 78% drop. That's fairly normal right there. Okay? So that's what we are seeing in Bitcoin right now. So to put it into perspective, we are in a healthy market. Okay? That's normal because the market always moves in cycle. So if we are already going to enter the cycle of bear or the correction or the crash or the bear market, so that's normal, okay? So we still don't have any confirmation to the downside, of course, because we are not closing yet the 3 days, okay?
In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from
Okay. So basically that's what we are looking at, okay? Hello vlogs, hello. Okay, so uh do not panic. It's organic. Do not worry, okay? So it's normal. So if we there is possibility, Alo Vlogs, good evening as well. Yes, yes. So there is a possibility that we're gonna have some. Let me delete this. Okay. There is a possibility right here that we're gonna copy this 2019, 2020 drop. Okay. You have this one peak, second peak, third peak, drops and then pump. You have here one peak, second peak, third peak, drops and then pumps. Okay. First peak, second peak, three peaks. Drop, touches the support and then pumps again. Okay, so that's possible. So with this in mind, nothing to worry, okay? So there is a possibility of repetition for this. Good evening, Lucifer. Yo, what's up? Okay. Lexus. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Don't just get carried away if you have some spot trades. So don't get carried away, just leave it there. And if you are not going to use it anyway for the next 10 years, so you just can keep it there, okay? Okay, it will recover in time, okay? So yeah. Okay, okay. So from here, daily time frame. In daily time frame, we have a drop here. Our channel up, breakout. Now we are falling again. There is a good news still for us, okay? Because our previous daily candle closed above the 0.618. That means this candle here still has a chance, okay? This candle here still has a chance to close above. Because we close above the 618, that means this has a chance to close above and then we can continue our pump. Okay, so we have a long week. That would be great. Okay, and if you pull out here, you can see from the 0.618, mostly are long wicks. But really, this is 30-70 chance, okay? 30% chance it goes up, 70% chance it continues to the downside. Okay, so that's how big the chances for this. Even though we are fighting for the support of 618, that's I think the probability, okay? 30% to the upside, 70% to the downside. Okay. Yes, yes. Unless there is a... Okay, let's check the DXY because DXY is strongly related to what is happening here. Look at the market. S&P 500 bleeding. US Russell bleeding. Dow Jones bleeding. Bitcoin bleeding. Dollar pumping. Okay, when dollar pumps, all the stocks will dump. Okay? So it seems like we haven't reached yet the triple top. We are also waiting for this one to make a triple top, okay? Because this is the accumulation area and then the distribution area. Okay, first stop, three peaks and then drops. Okay, so we are expecting this one here. One peak, second peak, three peaks, higher than this top here, and then from there it start dropping, and then possible here. So from here, if this happens, then this one will recover, this one will recover, this one will recover, and this one will recover. They will all pump to their new all-time high. Okay. So the drop here can reach up to May 20, May 27. Okay. Okay. So we are looking forward to this one, okay? But there is another scenario for the US dollar. If the US dollar really pumps hard, because it's moving in waves. You can see the waves. Its possibility is to hit 1,116 per dollar. Okay? So US DXY is dollar against the six major currency. Okay? So this one is 116. Okay? Okay. So I hope this is clear for the dollar. It has two potential direction. Going down if we continue the accumulation, distribution, and then accumulation, distribution phase, or if we are in the double bottom breakout, this is the price target. Okay? Okay. So that's the probability. And if you ask me the probability for this, there is higher probability for dollar to dump. Okay, higher probability for dollar to dump than to pump. Okay, so we are really hoping also that's also possible. Okay, because of this pattern right here, you know, the dollar, the value of it is getting smaller and smaller. Okay. So that's our Bitcoin. For our time frame, we have a. Okay, this is our for our time frame. Let me check the for our time frame. Fib, let's draw some fib line. So high to see. So we are exactly being supported in 0.5. Okay, so if we get this 0.5, so our base drop would continue. That would look like this drop, then touches the 0.5 and then drops again, touches here, drops again. That's possibility right there. Okay, so the trend is still bearish. Okay, the gas is related to inflation. Okay, so and inflation is related to Bitcoin. Inflation is related to dollar, and then dollar is related to Bitcoin. Okay, so that's how they work. That's how it affects the Bitcoin indirectly also. Okay, even though we don't use the gas to buy Bitcoin, but it's related to inflation. Okay, so we usually hear the joke in the Philippines, right? Let me buy sugar, and then the sugar is so expensive, and then the 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 cashier, or we call it the tindera, or how do we call it, the store owner, the vendor will say it's expensive because of gas, and then we say, oh, remove the gas in the sugar so that it will be cheaper. So, yeah. Well, we cannot remove the gas in the sugar, right? Okay, so it's indirectly affecting the price of Bitcoin with the wars and rumors of wars. Even our February dump, the February dump was caused by the war of US. I know the Ukraine and Russia. Yesterday I watched Netflix World War II. It's the top 10 trending. The top 10 trending the before the Pearl Harbor. So yeah, I watch it, and yeah, interesting to know also some detailed background about what happened World War II. Okay, he really has strategy. Okay, anyway, so this is Bitcoin for you. So short 1 hour time frame. So for 1 hour time frame, you have this drop, base, drop, base, drop. Okay, so here you see it here. This one. This is the one that we are looking at right now. The drop, and then the base, and then the drop, and then the retest of the base. And once you touch the base, you're gonna drop again. Okay? You know that you have touched a zone, supply zone, once you see this long wick. Okay, you see this? Only a week enters and then went down. That means there is a strong selling pressure in that one. That is a strongest zone. The strongest zone. Okay. Okay. Yes, the gas now is pumped up in forex. Oh, I see. Yes, so this one strong and this one is weak zone. So we have this one long week and it seems, look at this one. Hello boss, sinishare mo po ba yung PPT mo? Ehe. So our PowerPoint is a benefit for our community. So make sure you join our community, okay? Eric J, join our Telegram community. So I have been teaching the material every Tuesday and Thursday Zoom class. Okay, so we just had a Zoom class a while ago. So here you can see that this material here drops and then base and then drops and then look at here, it touches and then drops, it touches again and then drops, it touches again and then drops. Only a long wick entered. Okay, so this is a possible supply zone. So there is a possibility that we are having a entry. Okay, this two small volume candle, volume candle. Okay, look at this two volume. It's playing by the book. This two small volume. It's playing by the book. It's the low volume test. Okay, crude oil. I see, Giancarlo. Okay, so you also do forex trading, Carlo? Hello, Milo. Okay, so base here, low volume test. You can see that it tests the base supply zone and then drops again. Okay, so exactly what we are seeing right now. Of course, unless that this becomes strong. This this support right here. Okay, this resistance, the turn support. Okay, this is a strong resistance. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, we got rejected here. So we flip it, now it's a support. So if this is a strong support and it doesn't break, usually you put your stop loss if you open long position here. Okay, because if it's not breaking, it's gonna continue to the upside. But if the supply zone is too strong, then we will really back up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, until we drop. Okay, we will try to break this supply zone. That's how it works. Okay, you don't see this one here. You don't see this in exact manner. Okay, you only see it in the book. You don't see a perfect drop base drop. Usually you see a drop and then a retest and then drops, a retest again, drops, a retest again until it finally drops hard. Okay, so yeah, don't see a perfect. You only see perfect in the book, but not in the real market. Okay. No coach. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay. So yeah. Okay, it's already 8:40. We forgot about our promotion with our community. So make sure you scan this QR right here, okay? And as you scan this QR right here, you will be redirected to our practical group, or you can click in the description below this Trade Scholar community, okay? You can click this and you will be redirected in our practical in our community, okay? So here, so our community is right here. So, our community is right here. Okay, so this is our community. So you will be redirected here. And then from here, if you want to join our practical group, we have this forecast here, price forecast, weekly time frame, daily time frame, and then 4-hour time frame. Okay? So from this, you can see the direction of the market, okay? And then you check we have a practical group. So if you want to join the practical, this is our practical group. So you'll be able to trade also in our practical. Okay, so you'll be able to join our practical group and then you get some signal here. So yeah, so some people are also practicing already their skills. Yeah, so yeah, it's normal for the practice, okay? But for our signal, we hit our old TP, our TP 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So this is our community. Okay. So we hit our TP1 up to TP3 with our signal, okay? So this is our community. We drop some signal here. Short signal this morning, this afternoon. Okay, so this is our practical group. Yeah. And then if you want to join the exclusive, this is our exclusive group also. Here, so we have a specific signal and also making money also with our signal. More signal, okay? So basically, this is the free community. You get daily BTC forecast, live technical analysis, and then the practical, you put at least 100 to $500 balance to your Julian, and then from there, you'll be able to join our practical, and then you start trading in Julian, okay? Daily 2 signals. You have Zoom classes, you're gonna learn also, and learning videos. Okay, and live technical analysis. And then if you join exclusive, you can have a one-on-one review. Okay, with Sir Ian, you can have a one-on-one review, advanced courses, also daily signal and exclusive signals. Okay, so that's what we are looking at right now. Okay, so looking forward, if you are not yet a member to our community, make sure you join us. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's go back now here. Okay. So I'll be giving you a specific signal in our practical group, okay? I'll be dropping a signal in our practical group, okay? So see you in our practical group for the specific signal for BTC, okay? Okay. So do we have any suggestion coin? Okay. So if there is none, then I'll check Ethereum right now. Ethereum. So our Ethereum right now also has a long wick. A green volume is showing power, okay, of the bulls. So looking forward that we find this as a strong support. So we might have touched some supply zone, the demand zone, I mean. So let's check the daily time frame. Okay, demand zone is waiting right here. Okay, so if Bitcoin broke already its support with this one, the possibility that this will also break its support. Okay, the Ethereum will also most likely break its support. Let me pull out the fib line. Swing low, swing high, all-time high. Okay, three picks and then drop. So the next support is waving at 786. We are still holding the 618, okay? So we are still above the 618. So if we hold this 618 right here, we are supposed to hold this one. If we hold this, then we can have a trading area in this area. If not, then we're gonna drop here. This will be our trading area. If we bounce here and here, so this will be our trading area. Okay, so that's a possibility right now for our Bitcoin before we pump up for Ethereum before we go to the upside again. Okay, so that's this dump right here. This COVID dump cost the Ethereum 68%. Okay, this is the pandemic dump. So that cost them uh 68%. This drop right here with the Ethereum from all-time high to the bottom 94%. Imagine if you are trading Ethereum and you get a 90%, 94% drop, you're gonna say, oh, this is a scam coin. Okay, you might say that it's a scam coin already. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, this is for our Ethereum right here. So how to trade Ethereum? Luna, may possible pa po bang umangat? Yes, yes. Luna has still opportunity to go up. Okay, okay. So yeah, there is still possibility for Luna, okay? Okay. Okay. So Phil, for Luna, you just need to wait for UST to recover. Once the UST recover, the next one will recover is Luna, okay? Okay, they're trying to rescue the UST first before the Luna. Okay, so Luna, Phil. Okay, let's check Phil. So for specific trade for Ethereum, for our time frame, we are finding resistance in 0.382. Okay, okay. Hello, Charity. Okay, so yeah, so if this continues, potential top of potential top of Ethereum, if it pumps, it can start going down from here. Okay, so this is the demand, the supply zone. So we might have some drop base, drop base, drop, and then test of the base and then drops again. Okay, so that's possibility right there. Okay, so let's check your suggested coin, Phil. Phil USD. Okay, so what's happening with Phil? So Phil has found also a strong support. And now it's bounced there. So you can see the 0.382. Okay, so we might start dropping from here. Okay, like this one. Okay, if not, then the next support, the next resistance it's gonna test is this area. Okay, so yeah, it can go up to here and then start dropping again. Okay, okay, that's feel for you. Daily time frame, weekly time frame. Yeah, we are below already from where it began. Yeah, so that's how you see a bear market. Okay, so everybody is everything, every coin is on sale. Okay, so nothing to worry. That's normal. I have showed you the chart of Bitcoin, right? I have showed you the chart of Bitcoin to tell you that it's normal. Okay, so weekly time frame. You see, every correction of the cycle will always take you too deep. The correction here from the all-time high to the bottom is 82%. The correction here from all-time high in 2013 to the bottom 2015, 2 years bull run, and then the bottom is 86%. This one is 2017 all-time high up to the bottom 2018, so 1 year is 84%, negative 84% from all-time high to the bottom. This one is 72%. Okay, so that's normal. That's normal for Bitcoin. So right now, if we're gonna drop from the to the price target, we would have at least a retracement or correction up to 78%. So that's fairly normal with the Bitcoin. Okay. 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 So this is our TA for today. So I'm gonna add you all in our live, okay, in our raffle. Okay, so all the best everyone, stay safe, trade safer. See you in our practical group for specific signal. Okay, all the best, all the best. I'll be writing it down, not in our live. Okay, so all the best everyone, stay safe and trade safer. Okay, bye bye.